Hi guys, it's Peitee. Today I have this golden bronze look for you. I hope you will enjoy it. I will start with the eyeshadow and I'm using the Naked 2 palette. So I'm going to start with this eyeshadow here. And I dampened my brush and I'm just going to apply this gold shade all over the lid. I'm going to cover quite a big area, so I'm going to the socket line as well and just blending this up to the eyebrow. I'm also going to come down underneath. I'm just going to blend that out with a big fluffy brush. This gold shade should be coming up to the eyebrow, just right here on the arch as well. Now I will add this shade, and I'm also using the brush wet. I'm just going to apply it on the outer corner. Also up high to the eyebrow, but in a kind of a straight line, just right here. And these eyeshadows blend very nicely together, so if you just wait a bit until they are almost dry on the eye and just go around the edges to blend everything, it will blend seamlessly. So I'm just going back and forth on this line of separation with both brushes, just trying to blend that seamlessly. And also outside I will do the same thing, just go around that darker shadow to blend it and then go back to the smaller brush just to add the intensity back. So now that we have this nice copper and gold blend, I will add some glitter to the eye. So this is kind of a gold silvery tone. I'm going to pick it up on the same brush that I used for the gold eyeshadow and just drop a little bit on the eyelid. Just scatter it around. I don't want to pack it in one place, just add a little bit for shine. I'm going to take a cotton round and just pick up the glitter that dropped down. Hopefully I can get everything. I'm going to move on to the base. I'm going to use a very luminous foundation. So that's a very thin layer, but now I'm going to add a more full coverage foundation in the places where I need it. Now I'm going to add a bit of under eye concealer, but you want to be very careful not to make a definite line between the concealing and the eyeshadow that we created, because the effect should be quite soft. So if you did manage to make a line between concealer and that, then you just need to go back to a blending brush and blend that out. This foundation is very luminous, but I still think I need to powder around the nose and maybe in the middle of the forehead just to take off the shine, so it doesn't look oily, it will just look luminous. I'm going to set the sides of the face as well, because creasing appears in the smile lines very often. I'm just going to sweep a bit here also under the eye to prevent the concealer from creasing. Now to finish off the eyeshadow, I will use this shade, this very light shade, with a pencil brush, and this goes in the inner corner. And also I'm bringing this out pretty far just to contribute to that cloud effect that we have going on. I'm just curling my lashes and I will add some mascara to the top. And I will add some individual lashes to the top as well. So I just added a couple of individual lashes in the center just for that doe eye effect. The eyebrows I want to keep quite natural, just because I think it would suit this look best. I'm just going to add a couple of hairs wherever it's needed to make the brow look more full. The lips, I'm going to add a touch of lip liner and a nude lipstick on top. And for the skin, I will use the Benefit Hoola. I will use this as a bronzer. So all this area I'm just going to bronze up. Also on the temples, I'm going to go across the forehead, also across the nose, wherever the sun would naturally hit. So this now feels very, very bronzy and summery, and I think the last thing missing would be some highlighter. And I'm using the Jeffree Star palette, and I'm using this one, which is Canary Bling. They are very pigmented, so I'm just loading my brush and I'm going to take most of it off on my hand and just start with a small amount. Start to load up your cheekbone with that. I'm going to also bring it around on the temple. Now I will add some to the top of the lips and to the nose. I'm just going to take the edges off with the brush, the powder brush that I used before, so everything is nice and seamless here. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please hit a thumbs up. For more makeup tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Now I'm going to take a make the brow feel more full. Make the brow look more full. Luminous.